Happy Mother's Day po. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Sana po gabayan po kayo ng Panginoon sa inyong mga trabaho at ginagawa. Sana po magkaroon po kayo ng magandang kalusugan. At salamat po sa paggagabay sa amin at sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin. Salamat po sa buhay niyo. At Happy Mother's Day po. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Happy Mother's Day po kay Mami, kay Tita, and kay Lola. And
Happy Mother's Day, Nanay, Mami, and Titas. I wish you a healthy life. I love you. Happy Mother's Day again.
Happy Mother's Day, Nanay, Mami, and mga titas. I wish you a long, healthy, and happy life and more blessings to come. We love you so much and Happy Mother's Day.
And all of them just as much as you love me. Then maybe you'll finally see you have given enough for me. A gift that will last through eternity. So when you stay by my side, hear my stories at night, and teach me to trust in God's love. You give me a hug, maybe two, and you say I love you. And I think you're more than enough. And I'm glad